Hi everyone, today we are at my brand new listing, The Haven, and wow, does this home certainly live up to its name. Here we have a beautifully curated 2-bedroom house plus pool plus guest house, all wrapped in lush landscaping to give you unmatched privacy. And even though you're tucked away inside this little paradise, you are actually in one of the most prestigious gated communities in Flamingo, Costa Rica, where there's a friendly atmosphere, a strong sense of community, and fabulous amenities. Guys, the last home we sold, even remotely similar to this, went in 6 days. And to be honest, it wasn't near as good as this home. So let's check it out. Hi everyone, Sarah Breitlander here with KRAIN Luxury Real Estate, and do I have a treat for you today. But first, make sure you hit the like button on our video and subscribe to our channel so that you can see the latest and greatest coming to the market. If you are serious about Costa Rica real estate, this home is an example of why you should be subscribed to our channel. These homes go fast, people call in. The people that watch this channel are the people in the know. So today we are at The Haven. Guys, I am so excited to have this listing. Before we explore the property, I just want you to see, I wanted to start out here because look at the curb appeal. I don't know if you can hear the birds in the background, but this is just a true paradise. We are in MarVista, Flamingo, Costa Rica. The MarVista development is a wonderful gated community. There are neighborhoods within the community. So we're in the Dos Rios neighborhood here. There are about 4 neighborhoods currently in MarVista, and we just love it here. So come on and enter here. This is a 2-bedroom main home plus the guest house. We call them guest casitas here. But I love everything about this house. First of all, the decor is amazing. I love this decor. Second of all, it is absolutely turnkey ready. Everything you see here comes included with the home. Another reason I like it is so perfectly, the layout's perfect and it's so comfortable, but it's not too big, right? It's not too small. It's just like baby bear soup. It's just right. These are the kind of homes that sell so quickly. So when I walked in, I was just like, I love this home and I love this owner. These are the kind of owners that realtors love. They're meticulous about everything. The homes are they sell themselves. This is gonna go soon, and it's gonna go to really one lucky buyer. Let's start in the kitchen. You saw kind of the magnificent entry as you walk in, but look at this kitchen. I love these calming hues of gray and the white countertops. It just looks so lovely together. I also love these backsplashes, full backsplashes. I think that's a nice touch. Of course, we have stainless steel appliances, under-mounted sinks. Every window you see, just tropical living everywhere. And I love this island, tons of space for your kitchen here. And then you even have more cabinetry back here. Look at this decor. Again, all of this comes included. Another reason I like this home is because it's so versatile. This is a vacation rental when the owners aren't here. When they're here, they're living here full time. When they leave, they rent it out. And it really excels at both of those because it's a great, people want to be in MarVista, in Flamingo when they rent, and people want to live here. You'll see a true sense of community here. I just want you to, we have to explore the outside because it's such, it's one of the main selling features of this home. We're gonna go in and out, but I wanna show you this right now. Look at this. This is under-covered here. So you have indoor dining table for 4, outdoor dining for table. And look at this. You have a papaya tree up there. You have these palm trees. Look at all this greenery. Do you even think for a minute you are in a gated community? Isn't this amazing? I really don't. I really can't recall the last time I've seen a home with this much privacy in a gated community. You truly get the best of both worlds. And let's talk about the community for a moment because MarVista So many of my clients are happy here in MarVista. They have fabulous amenities. They have pickleball courts, the new pickleball courts. Everybody's getting out, including myself. I'm finally going out. I finally found a minute of my time to go, and I love it. They have gyms, an amazing clubhouse, Ocean View Clubhouse with a bar and restaurant. Just amazing, amazing food. People come from all around to visit the Gracia restaurant here. Hiking trails. Really great, but another reason I like this home is because MarVista is the home of multi-million-dollar homes. And so some of my clients come here and they think, I love MarVista, but I can't afford it. This is one of those few homes that you can move into. It's beautiful, it's completely private, and you are among multi-million-dollar homes here at a price that doesn't break the bank. And if you took all of the beautiful loveliness and emotion out of this, the first rule of real estate that anyone knows is you want to buy, you know, the least expensive home on a luxury lot, right? I remember when Pete and I, my husband and I, were in Chicago, we bought an older home, like a complete gut rehab on the nicest street in Lincoln Park, Chicago, and we're like, yes, we got the crappiest home on the block. Why? Because you want that that equity in the home, right? And this, it's a beautiful home, it's perfect, and you're moving right in with the multi-million-dollar home. So just for an investment purpose, I think this is a great house. All right, I'm talking too much because I'm excited, but let's see the first bedroom here. So this is the first of the 2 bedrooms. It has its own ensuite bath. Look at the tile and the decor in there. I love that. Look how beautiful, beautiful. Look at these colors. You have closet space, you have a flat screen TV. Look how nice. Can't you see why it's just such a great rental? Whenever the owner's not using it, I mean, she has incredible success renting it out. I can see why. This is not even the best part. Look at this. You guys, look how beautiful this is. I just think it's great. I mean, I cannot believe that you're in the middle of MarVista. And I was telling you in the intro that the other home we had that I would compare to this was Casa Sunshine. Look it up, don't take my word for it. We put that under contract 6 days after the video came out to someone who saw the video because this is a great community. People want to be here. And not near the privacy that this home had. I just want to show you, this is a lockout closet. I won't open it. It's the owner's lockout, but it is a nice size here. Look at this half bath. Adorable. Again, you have everything you need here, and it's perfectly cozy, but it's not too small. You have room to have and do everything you'd like in this home. Here's a nice size laundry room, side by side washer dryer. Really, really great. Perfect layout. Love the layout. I want to give you this view. Look how beautiful it is, and all the natural light that comes in. As you can see, like I said, you have this large living area, you've got the dining, you've got this breakfast bar. Did you see the stools here? What a nice pop of color this is. I love the tiles too. Did you notice vaulted ceilings, making the space appear really grander than it is? And they even have a desk here. Again, everything you need in this main home. Look at this principal bedroom. Look at nice and large, again, neutral tones with pops of nice blue and color, and then you just look outside. This is how you can wake up in the morning, have your cup of coffee with the nature. Not uncommon at all to see animals. The owner, was saying as she loves it, she sees the birds and the squirrels, and there was a epazote in the tree the other day. It's a Costa Rican animal. You can look it up, but they're adorable. And just the wildlife here is great. You heard the birds outside, I believe. Speaking of incredible space, look at this principal bathroom. I think it's amazing, nice and large. And look at the shower. Again, I really love the borders and the tile. Isn't that a pretty shot out to the palm trees there? Just a really nice vibe. This is a nice size walk-in closet for you to enjoy. How great is this? Now we're going to come back out. This is my favorite part because I feel like we're going on a tropical tour here. All of this is yours. Great pool. This is an infinity edge pool. Have a little stool here. I mean, this is where you do your living. Look at these really mature plants here. They were planted years ago and have had time to really come into their own. The landscaping here is amazing. Look at these hibiscus. Total privacy. Just to back into business too, I want to show you there is an access point here. So people, you know, the landscapers, they can come in through this access point and not, you know, go through the main house, which is really, really just convenient and nice. So really well thought out. Nice palm trees here. Look at this little meandering trail. Isn't this nice? Low maintenance. So the owners were big on having everything kind of turnkey and low maintenance here. If you wanted to do more, you could make this as lush as you want. Right now they have a little bistro table and chairs next to the aloe vera plants there. Really beautiful. Look at these mature cacti. You don't see that every day, and this one is starting to bloom. It'll be blooming shortly. Speaking of blooms, not only do you have these beautiful hibiscus, very tall hibiscus, that bloom brilliant peaches and reds. This tree, I don't know if you can see, when it's in full bloom, it is stunning. Right now you can see a few blooms on there. That really hot pink, beautiful, beautiful flower there. Okay, now we're going in the guest house. How cute is this? Again, nice theme, nice outdoors. Look at this. This is really beautiful. Love the beautiful tile on the floor and the hardwood throughout. They really did a great job in featuring this, you know, Guanacastecan wood. We're known for our wood making capabilities here and the beautiful hardwoods that exist in the forest here. So it's really nice to see that incorporated here. They also put vaulted ceilings, nice little ceiling fan. Of course, it's all AC, flat screen TV. And then this is really beautiful. Look at this sliding door. Isn't that nice? And then of course you have this just stunning bathroom here. Really nice. I can see why at any given point, if the owner is not here, this just gets scooped up for a rental right away. Gosh, what else can I say about this other than I don't know of any objections in this home. I think it will definitely go fast. So many of my clients absolutely love MarVista. Whether you want to rent it out, it's a great rental. We have many rental homes here and rent it out when our homeowners are not here. If you want to live full time here, that's a great option too. And then you can live full time and all of your visitors can enjoy the guest house, a perfect amount of privacy while they're visiting on their vacation here to see you. This is the Haven. If you're interested, please give us a call. I do think this home will go fast and I'm so excited to have the listing. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now and Pura Vida.